Yeah. Okay, back to the video.
The beauty slayer, 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 the beauty slayer.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I think I did a pretty good job. I have to still finish working on that wall, so I don't really want to show you guys that part. It's really just showing you guys the makeup area that I just redid. So the chair, I obviously, vamped up. That's my daughter. So this, I have to finish up and finish decorating it. So because I repaired that piece right here, but nonetheless, it's up right now. So this is the same desk that you guys seen in the last video. So I didn't like it. I didn't like it because I was using that picture frame as a desk, and it just wasn't. I wasn't feeling the brown border right here, the picture frame. I wasn't feeling that vibe. So what I did was I decorated that myself. I'm trying to see if I don't know if I'm finished yet. I might want to add some more. I'm thinking that's good right there. You guys let me know what you think. Is that good? Should I add more? I want to add my name to it and some other stuff. And I'm going to end up painting or spray painting that border and finish that up. Okay, good. So let's start on this side. This is all do-it-yourself projects that I did. Look at my little dress magazine. And I taped it to a picture from Dollar Tree that I wasn't really, I liked it, but I wasn't feeling it. I wanted something different, so I just put her on. I have my makeup palettes in here. This is an old one, and I decorated that myself. And in my palettes, I have my daily face stuff in that bag right there, and it says, I don't do fashion, I am fashion. I really like that one. Here is a picture that I did myself. The picture frame I got from Dollar Tree for $1. The picture I got made. I printed it out off of Google, and I went to CVS and I got that one printed, and the other one that I'm about to show you, and another one that I have, but that's being used as a tray right here. Cause the bottom, I like the bottom, but I was like, oh, it'll look good as a tray. So I did that. And yeah, I really like how they came out. Oh my God, it looks so good right there. And then, so this box, I ended up getting, I live by a corner store, and they ended up letting me get this box. Here, so I asked him, I was like, hey, can I have that? And he was like, yeah. So I was like, cool. So check it. The d.i.y that you see, I got that from out the magazine, and I cut it out. I cut it out really good because I didn't like the backgrounds that it had. The only background that I kept was this right here with the O. And then this flower came from in the mail from my little sugar daddy. He sends me pictures and stuff. I'm about to show you something else that he did too. So that flower, I just thought it would look really good right there, you guys. And I really like how they came out. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next I showed you guys that in my last video, but I didn't explain it. But okay, I made this obvious. It looks so good on camera. I ain't gonna lie. It looked like a perfume bottle from back here. It's big though. So it's a Coco Chanel bottle. You can barely see it. I'm gonna end up probably like coloring that in with probably like a black, so that way it really stands out. You feel me? And then I'll probably end up decorating that with some like some glitter diamond things from Dollar Tree. But for right now, I have my makeup brushes in there. This cup I got from Dollar Tree. So the stand here I got from Dollar Tree, and I vamped this up a long time ago with some glitter duct tape. My lashes that I'm rocking, for right now, I just have them right there. Right here is some air freshener for my room and some eyeshadow palettes. My juice bar for when I use my tripod light, my ring light. Y'all know what I mean. I got some stuff, my little lotion back here. It says a little kiss thing right here. And then I got some scissors because I'm always doing my little crafts and stuff. And then right here, it's a Cricut box, but I'm gonna end up that's why you could obviously see all of this stuff is do it yourself that I made. I created and came up with myself, and I really love how it came out. Oh my gosh. And the Patron bottle I got from the magazine, and that right there is the wallpaper that I obviously did the desk with. Um, but I didn't do the whole desk, what I did was I had two picture frames. So if you could see, if you look really closely, I have two pieces of foam board right here. I got really creative with this, you guys, okay? I got two picture frames that I already had around the house, and I already had some leftover wallpaper that I wasn't using. And I was like, see, because I already liked that. So I was like, I still want to use the flowers. So I was like, let me use the flowers. And I wrapped the boards up, and I already had this little plastic thing right here that you see. It came from the picture frame. It was the glass, but it's like a plastic. Thank God it's not glass. It's like a little fake plastic. So I placed it on top to protect the wallpaper because my kids, my kids love to mess with my things. Okay, so I feel like I'm going everywhere with this video, but hopefully you guys staying with me, okay? Okay, so check it. We're doing a desk. I'll go back to that in a second, but I want to speak on this desk because y'all, I feel like this right here is going to be the main reason why y'all click on this video. You feel me? And I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys clicking on this video, okay? Because I took my time, like, really working on this desk, and I'm not even all the way done, but like, I just like how it came out so far that I just had to show you guys. So I clipped out some pictures in the magazine. Okay, and this is the letter that this is another piece that came from my little friend, and I just connected two letters together and got that, and some decorations, and it say put your sunscreen routine on automatic because I need to put on sunscreen. That's obviously these little clear containers, Dollar Tree girl. I got my little nail polish. I have more, but I have to put those up. But this, I probably don't. I'll probably keep these blue. I really like those blue. I was going to do them red, but that might be a little bit too much. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. Should I paint them red? Because I've had them blue for a long time, and I really want to change the flow of my room. You feel me? Because, look, the shoes are red. Um, my nail polish is red. This is red. I really want to do these red. So tomorrow I'm thinking about doing those red, and I think they'll come out. They'll be cute, and it's something different for my room. Okay, and so I have more eyeshadow palettes here because they couldn't fit over here. Okay, and I have my little contour stuff down here, my concealers, some everyday lip glosses, and my what's this one, eyeshadow primers that I use, my face sprays, some body sprays, my pens. This is the brush that I use to clean off this desk, and it really helps and saves me some time. More the perfumes, some scissors that don't belong over here. Let's put those here. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, some some tinted moisturizers, another serum that I'm using, some more supplies right here, eyeliners back there. Okay, this is miscellaneous. I just stuck a whole bunch of stuff in there. My lashes that I'm not using, some highlighters that are broken, some eyeshadows that I know I haven't used in a while. They're just stuffed in there, so don't mind that drawer right there. This one has my little lippies. I have more somewhere, but these are the ones that I have the most of, so that's why they're up here. I have my foundation, my Fenty, and then my Believe foundation. I like these two. I got these two, those two, and I made this. This came from out in the magazine. This came from Dollar Tree. It was $1, and I just taped it on top. Have my deodorant back there because you can't be musky. But right here, I just did. I'm thinking like I know I wanted something that says Chanel, so I traced this off my phone and I just stuck it in there. I thought it was really cute. Really cute. And then some more pictures. And I had to put Beyonce here. I just had to put Beyonce here because she's cute. And I got Mark by Marc Jacobs here. Okay, so did I do everything on the desk? I think I did. Okay, so now I can sit down. And then so these two containers, I'm gonna pull them out. So this right here, I kind of need to organize. It's just miscellaneous stuff. Hey, I'm right here. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so like I was saying, this is just a miscellaneous drawer right now. I have to reorganize that probably in the morning. And then here I have more. These are my little, this is basically all my little makeup. Not all of it, but majority of my makeup sits right here in this drawer, or it sits either up here. Anyways, so like I was saying, this it has makeup in it too. Okay, and this is the other picture that I was showing you guys that I said I did. It's d.i.y. Same thing. I got it from CVS. The picture frame is from Dollar Tree, and I cut the picture out so it could fit the frame. And I love how it came out, you guys. This right here, hold on, clear box came from dryer that I had bought from Ollie's a while back, and I cut it up and I made that the bottom, and then that's the top, and I just decorated with the leftover wallpaper that I had. I'm gonna end up putting probably like a candle or something here. I'm gonna put something here. Trust and believe, because it's just looking bare right now, and I'm not really feeling that. I mean, it's cute for right now, but obviously I'm gonna have to put something in there. So I'm thinking, I don't know yet. I want to redo this bottom part because I probably want to do it black. If I don't do it black, I'll probably color it white or something like that. Probably black because it'll blend in with that better. And then I have my laptop here, and I decorated it myself, Dream Girl. With it means I know you did, baby. Thank you. And I decorated with some stuff I got out of the magazine and a station book. It says go get 'em. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I just keep I've been writing, you guys, and I really have to go get some more notebooks because I'm not playing this year. Everything I've wanted so far I've manifested. Let me just show you guys something. I know this book is really working, okay? It's just everything I'm doing, I know it's working. Just, okay, so April 22nd, I am so thankful that I won the cash 3 today. I was so excited. I knew the numbers and I won. You guys, I actually did win cash 3, okay? It wasn't much, you know, but the fact that I won and I knew I was going to win, that just lets me know that my book is working. So I like to put it right here because that's one of the first things I like to grab when I get up in the morning. And it just, you know, really helps my day go by, you guys. So really quickly, I'm just going to step. All right, you guys. So I just want to show you a little one more overview and then. All right, you guys. So here's an overview of everything one more time. And if you guys want to, I'm going to end up updating it again because I know I want to add some vanity lights right here. I'm going to probably more than likely end up putting that mirror on the wall because that's just how I see it. I know I want it on the wall, so I have to end up doing that. And then yeah, it's still a work in progress, but for right now I'm really liking it and how it's becoming, and then I gotta work on some other stuff. But you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like it if you liked it. If you liked it, some of these things, and you know that you're gonna incorporate some of these things in your vanity, just thumbs up this video. If you happen to be alive, just thumbs up this video. If you thankful to be eating something, have a place to stay, just like this video, okay? And I ain't gonna hold you, I ain't gonna fold you. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.